remember me. I'm Niveditha from batch 23A. And teamI, look what have you made to me. You have done, the dreams that come to me in the nights are all about working at events. Can you believe this, you guys? I remember the first day when I entered the campus, I couldn't remember Arvind sir's name. I remember right now, Arvind Josubani. Thank you, teamI, once again for nurturing me from a small seed to a sapling, which is on its way of becoming a big tree. All the moments of 2023 have been etched deeply in my heart. I promise that I will never forget my roots and will never let teamI down. Thank you, my people. I wish my classmates, teamI, and upcoming batches a very bright, beautiful, and happy future. That's my bit. Thank you.